Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add your school email to Gmail. So you want to just simply open up your Google account. So you go to Google, ensure that you sign in, and you can just simply click on Gmail on upper right. Now, once you're in Gmail, just simply click the settings gear on the upper right and just click on see all settings. Now, from here, click on accounts and import. And you have two options really. So what you can do is just try two things. Your email for your school would either be a PopTree account or it would be something else, right? And generally, one out of these two settings normally work. And so all you have to do is just ensure yet that you have the email and it's working. There's no blocker, and you can click and import mail and contacts. Now you can quickly go ahead and enter the email address here, proceed with continue, and you'll be able to also verify that as well once you continue within that. And yeah, from here, you will be able to complete the process to add the email. Now, if you have any issues doing it this way, you can also try to check mail from other accounts. And so you can quickly go ahead and click and add mail account right here and just enter the email. Now, if you're struggling, guys, and you're not sure if you have an IT team at your school, you could ask them to tell you what it is, or they can even verify for you and tell you if it's POP3. Now, if you have that set up in Gmail, you can also have that set up in Outlook on your computer, for example. You can also find that as well. So most likely, guys, your school email would either be a POP3 or IMAP, right? And so you can easily find this. And guess what? To make it super easy, you can even Google it, right? You can Google the steps because you can quickly find this out in Outlook if you have your email set up within Outlook, or if you have it configured with another email client, then you can also find it out as well. So look how easy it is. Just open up Google and type how to know if my email is POP3 or IMAP. And so you will have the instructions here. And even more, if you know the email client that is used to configure your email, you could say on Outlook or on my phone or on XYZ. You get a general idea. You can easily Google it. And if you're a user who's getting used to like AIs such as, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever, you can ask the AI tool the same questions and it will give you step by step how you can actually find this. But yeah, you can even pull it from within Google Gemini right here. As you can see, it tells you exactly what to do. If you're using Outlook on your computer, you can open up Outlook, go to files, account settings, account settings there, and you can just follow the steps here. If you're on your iPhone or iPad, you can follow the settings there. If you're in Mailbird, even if you're on your Android phone, you can follow the steps and you'll be able to easily find this out if you're using your Android phone, for example, with a different mail setup. So, guys, it's super easy, and you should be able to add your school email right here within it. Very easy and very simple.